Alright, so I got a little mad because this thing won't let me copy some files from here to the computer so I can share with you guys on YouTube. And I thought, what the heck, I'm gonna take it apart. Let's see what's inside this thing. So first of all, this is the side or the handles, and I gotta tell you, this thing is made really sturdy. And the reason for that is because if you look at the edge on the bottom here, let me just get a close-up right there, you can see that it actually comes back this way and then it comes up, which means there are grooves that hold it in here. So this was a pain in the royal behind to take out. This one I managed to take out fine, but this side just took forever to take out because I just couldn't get it. So the key to taking these out, as you'll see here, let me put it down here. See, the edge is all molded inside here, but it's not molded on the end here. So you got to lift this two sides and just lift it and push it out, just in case anybody wants to take something else similar to this apart and you can't figure it out. That's how you do it. Took a while, but I know, like anything else, it should be able to come apart because somebody made it. Now this is what it looks like here. Those are all the screws that come off of it. So you got two on the top and then one on the back, and the middle one is actually longer, so I'll kind of show you here. So you got this two in the front, these are the ones from the back. Same here, this four are from the back or the front, and these are the back, and these are the other ones in here. So let me make this quick because I don't want to be here all night. 1 2 3 4, at least on this tablet. And now let's take a look what's in here. You got to be careful because there's a so I found out there's a ribbon cable that goes onto the screen, but it just lifts up like this, so it's gonna be a little hard because I don't want to break it, but nobody else is gonna show you that. That's the inside of your car scanner. And I want to see if there was a hard drive or some kind of SD card in here, but apparently doesn't look like it. It looks like just a bunch of chips. Let's see what that is. That's back upside down. Alright, let's try that. I'll let you guys read it. I can't read it. And this is what he has. So our Wi-Fi antenna. Looks like it's that one. So let's dig in here. Now I'm not going to take the board out because it looks like there's nothing on the bottom. Let's see, what does that say? Wait, wrong number there. Let's see. Black board, blah blah blah, 2 layers. Alright, so at least you get an idea of what it's in there. If I go through here, you can see the bottom, just the plastic. There might be something else there, but I don't think there is. It's just plastic on the bottom. Let me try and move it here. So if we try to look from the side, doesn't look like much else in there. Let's go to the other side. Let me see here. Let's see. So not much else going on there. The reason I also wanted to open it up is because I plug in the computer on the USB-C port that it has here, because I wanted to see if I could copy some files. But once I plug in here to the computer, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't pick up anything. This is just a regular USB 3, your SD card. I went ahead and added the SD card, and I transferred some of the files. unfortunately, it ended up transferring a lot of the system files in here. So I went back and selected everything and transferred everything back to here, but it didn't do it. Some of the files are still on the some system files are still on the SD, although now it works without the SD. But you gotta be careful with moving files. Normally it just moves like some extra image files and things like that. Apparently this one, it's one of those things. And I went ahead and emailed their support. The website keeps telling me to try later, to submit later. I can't submit a request on there. So I went and did a request from within here, within the scanner. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's what the internals of a car scanner looks like. Or at least the more, what do you call it? The bigger ones with the tablets on there. This is just an 8. But anyways, that's pretty much it for now. There's nothing much else to look at here, I don't think. So I'm just gonna end the video here.